Just follow up as I'm giving you the instruction I'm giving you in this video. You will never go wrong. After 1 month, give it a break. So this is the little shedding that I got. Hi beautiful family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your first time seeing me, I'm Glory. If today is your first time stopping by in the channel, thank you so much for stopping by to watch my video. I appreciate you so much. My returning subscribers, you guys are really MVP. You guys are so amazing. Thank you so much for your love and for your support, for always come back to watch my video. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. So today's video is how to use home remedy to stop your excessive hair shedding. With this one home remedy is very effective. It has helped me a lot in reducing my shedding and also growing my hair. Okay, so I'll be showing you how to make these ingredients. Only one effective ingredient, and the result is immediately effects. With one application, the result will be mind-blowing. Your shedding will stop immediately effects. You will be shocked at the results. Okay, so I'll be showing you how to prepare this home remedy and also the best way to make use of it. The powerful ingredient is better results.
So this is the green tea that I'm making use of. I'll make use of 1 bag of green tea. So feel free to make use of any green tea that you have, so far that is green tea. Or if you have black tea, you can also use green tea and black tea. But for the sake of this video, I'm using only my green tea. Okay, so I will open 1 bag of my green tea and transfer into my bowl and transfer in my very boiled hot water. Make sure the hot water is very hot water, okay, so that it can enable the green tea to infuse very well. I will leave it and cover it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes mark, the green tea have already been infused very well. So I will collect my green tea, transfer it into my applicator bottle for easy application. So green tea help treat and tackle dandruff and flakiness. It moisturizes the scalp and prevents dryness, control hair fall and boost healthy hair growth.
This is the tea. So I will show you how we can apply this on hair. First, do not apply this on your dating hair, okay? Because I put it something that you want to get good results. It's not good to apply it on your dirty hair. So the best way to apply this thing is on your fresh wash hair. Okay? So my hair, I've already washed my hair day for yesterday. Okay? So my hair is clean. I'll just go ahead and take down this style that I style my hair. I'll take it down.
It's Monday. Don't know how I do survive when it's only Tuesday. Time always moves so slow. When we get to Wednesday, find me at my all-time low. Going in on Thursday.
So next, how to apply this is on your scalp. Focus on your scalp, okay? Concentrate on your scalp because our hair shed from scalp, okay? Concentrate on your scalp. Make sure that you apply this tea jealously on your scalp, okay? So the thing runs on the strand of your hair. As you can see in this video, thing was running down on my hair, okay? So this video is speed up, okay? Speed it up so that it will not be that too long, okay? So let your concentration be on your scalp, and once you apply it on your scalp, then also run down to strands of your hair. After applying on your scalp, massage your scalp. You can now apply more on the strands of your hair if you feel like, okay? So, and if you're applying this, apply it on your bathroom, okay? Because the tea is running, your body will full of this tea. Okay, the tea will pour all over your body and also on the floor that you're applying this. So the best way is apply it on your bathroom. Okay, because after application you can use water to flush the floor. Okay, or if you don't want it to pour all over your body, use towel to cover your body. Okay, so after then I'll massage my scalp, rub down the strands of my hair and twist that section away. That is the same process. So like as I said earlier in this video, make sure that you use this on your fresh wash hair, because use it on your fresh wash hair. This is where you can get best results. But if you feel like using it before shampooing your hair is your best, but on my own opinion, okay, this is what works for me. So let me share what works for me. It may also work for 1 or 2 person out there. Okay, so apply. Why I like applying it after shampooing my hair, because I find that maybe applying this first, and when we shampoo our hair, our scalp is dirty, so it will not penetrate very well in our scalp to do that work that's supposed to do. Okay, but after you shampoo your hair and apply it, your scalp is super clean, and your strands of your hair is also clean, so the product can work very well on that. And also my second reason is that applying this on your dirty hair, I mean like applying it on before shampooing your hair. After applying it and shampoo your hair, you strip out all the whole nutrient that this gritty come with. Okay, so I find it that is not worthy to that. Okay, just apply this after shampoo your hair, apply it so that it can do in work more better. This step will work more better than applying it before shampoo your hair. Okay, so this work for me, and I hope that it also work for any of us out there. Keep on watching. I'll be right back. So after 1 hour later, I'll remove the cellophane that I used to cover my hair. Okay, and rinse out my hair. I mean rinse, use clean water. I'm using clean water to rinse out the green tea out of my hair. So after rinsing the green tea out of my hair, next step is very important: deep condition your hair. I'm using Mega Grow to deep condition my hair, so make sure that you deep condition your hair. This part is very necessary to avoid dryness or breakage, excessive break. Green tea also dries our hair, to avoid that dryness. So after then, I will start applying the deep condition on my hair. After applying deep condition on my hair, session by session, I will take my white tooth comb and comb my hair thoroughly. You see, I was pretty impressed at the result I'm gotten at this point. You know that I don't like combing my hair once I apply my deep condition, but to know whether this green tea really do that work it's supposed to do, I comb my hair, immediately apply my deep condition. Normally I will leave my hair to deep condition to penetrate very well, to work very well on my hair before I can comb it, because that point it will help to reduce breakage. But to know, because the green tea is for helping to reduce excessive hair shedding, so I immediately comb my hair to see whether it really do it work. And to greatest surprise yet, they did not disappoint me, and they have never disappointed me. So make sure that you work in session, okay? Do not deep condition your hair in whole. Make sure you deep condition your hair in session before you comb your hair, okay? So please, at this point, if you are not giving me a thumbs up, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. I love that. Whenever you give me a thumbs up, whenever you like my video, I'm highly happy about that. So please give me a thumbs up, okay, and share the video to your family and friends. Thank you so much for doing that. So after deep condition my hair, I will cover it up for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes to 15 minutes mark, I will come back and rinse it out. So I'm trying to gather the shedding that I got on my comb, but I'm looking around whether there's anyone on the floor. Do you see the little shedding that I got? Oh my goodness. So after 15 minutes mark, I will rinse out my deep condition on my hair. After I rinsed down the deep condition on my hair, I took my bath, okay? So now next, this step is another very interesting step. So I will now moisturize my hair. I'm using my leave-in mega growth leave-in treatment. See the thing pour on the floor. I'm sorry for that. So I will use that mega growth to moisturize my hair and use my oil to moisturize my scalp, okay? So this part is another very necessary. Make sure that you follow up with your moisturize your hair, okay, to avoid dryness. You know, dryness leads to breakage, okay? So to avoid that, follow up with your moisture routine. Follow up with any moisture of your favorite, even any moisture that you used to use to moisturize your hair. Follow that up. After then, I will twist my hair to keep it away. You can do braiding or whatever you like, but I like twisting. Please subscribe, like this video, and share the video. Thank you so much for doing that.
I'm through moisturizing the hair. See how my hair look like at this point. My hair feels so good. I'm moisturizing. This part is very necessary. Make sure that you follow up with your moisture routine so that to avoid dryness, okay? So this is the little shedding that I got. Throughout washing this, I did the little shedding that I got. Compare in other shedding that I used to got in my wash day. So this is very effective. In one application, you will see a great result on this. How many times can you apply this on your hair? Use this once in a week. If your hair is shedding excessively, use this once in a week, okay, after applying it. But please make sure that you shampoo your hair first before you use this steam rinse, okay, to get better results, okay? You use it once in a week for 1 month, okay? After 1 month, give it a break of 1 month or 2 months. You can now repeat it again once in a week for 1 month. Give it a break again. Why I say give it a break? Because with consistent use, it may cause harm on your hair, okay? Green tea dries our hair. It's good to reduce shed. Also, it can also cause damage if not take time, okay? So just be very conscious whenever you are using this green tea. Just follow up as I'm giving you the instruction I'm giving you in this video. You will never go wrong on using this green tea. It has helped me a lot to reduce my shedding, and also it helped to promote hair growth, okay? So like I use this whenever I experience shedding, excessive shedding on my hair. It's not that much. Whenever I know that my hair is shedding more than it's supposed to shed, I will use it. Like as I use it today, it will take me months before I can use it again. It may take me up to 3 to 4 months before I can apply this again on my hair, okay? So this is very good to use when you use it in a correct way, okay? So after trying it for 1 month, give it a break for 1 or 2 months. After then, you can repeat it again until you are okay with until you are satisfied with the shedding that you have gotten. But definitely our hair shed, so don't misunderstand me. Our hair definitely shed, but when it shed excessively is not good, okay? It this green tea will help you to control that excessive hair shedding. With one application, you will see a great result on your hair. Okay, so if there's any further question, feel free to leave comments in comment section below. I will answer your question. If there is something that I did not cover up in this video, let me know in comment section. Okay, so if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Help this girl to grow the channel. Okay, my target this month is to reach 1K subscriber this month. Okay, please help me to achieve that goal, and I know that you do that for me. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Okay, please give this girl a thumbs up. Okay, if this video is helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, give me a big thumbs up. Okay, it will help this channel, to help YouTube to push this content to more people that are searching similar content like this. Okay, share this video to your family and friends. You don't know who may be helping out there. Okay, share this video. Okay, and let's interact in comment section. Okay, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching up to this point. If you are watching up to this point, comment hi in comment section. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. See you in my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.